Hey everybody, what's up? BTM here, coming back at you with another video. Now in this video we're going to be reviewing the Benks Magnetic Case for the iPhone 15 Pro Max. Let's check it out. Now it's 2024, it's a new year, so you might want a new case. Case is very simple, presentation is very simple. Basically, you get the case, some instructions, and although this case is going for about $50, I think that it might be well worth it. So let me show you why. First of all, this case is built with Kevlar 600D aramid fiber. Now the case advertises a non-slip type material, and I can't say that I totally agree with that, because it is not as grippy as I think it should be when you're advertising non-slip. But on the inside of the case you do have a very nice honeycomb, micro honeycomb type coating that's going to no doubt protect your phone from scratches. You also have your MagSafe ring on the inside, and I have to say that this ring is pretty strong. On the outside you have your Kevlar type material. You have a metal ring that's going to go around and give your camera some protection. You have your buttons. It is a metal clickable button, power button on one side, the up and down volume rocker on the other side, and your action button. All fully covered, all fully metal. Placing the phone inside the case is pretty easy to put in, and it's fairly easy to come off, although it is pretty firm. On the case itself, you do have some protection on the front screen. The lip protrudes out just a little bit, which gives you good protection when you lay it flat. The buttons are very clickable, tactile, and firm, both power button and up and down rocker. You have very generous ports for your speakers and for your USB Type-C charging port. It is MagSafe compatible, and I have to say that the magnet is really pretty strong. It passed my shake test. It is wireless charging compatible. Now, how does it feel in your hand, and what do I think as far as protection is concerned? Case feels pretty good in your hands. The grip is not slippery, but it's not as non-slippery as I would like for it to be. As far as the protection is concerned, I think that this case is going to give you very nice protection, decent protection for your camera, decent protection with the raised edges on the lip around the front screen, which makes it nice. It is anti-fingerprint, which is good. It is anti-stain, which is good. And it is anti-scratch, which is good. The pros of this is lightweight, very well built, Kevlar protection, military grade drop protection, a ring around the camera, lens, covered metal buttons. All of those are positives. The only negative that I can say is the fact that you cannot, if you wanted to view your movies or anything like that, you will not be able to do it either in the portrait mode or the horizontal mode, because it doesn't have a kickstand on it. But other than that, I have to say that this case is a high quality case, well worth the $50 that they're asking for it. A link for this case will be in the description below to help support this channel. Now, if you don't like this case, you might like this one up there somewhere.